Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another easy to follow tutorial on how to activate Canadian Tire Mastercard online. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your preferred web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in ctfs.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official page of Canadian Tire Bank. Click on the credit cards link on the top left and click on Activate your credit card. Now, you have two options you can choose in order to activate your card online. You can either choose Activate without logging in, or if you want to sign in first to your bank account, and in order to activate your account, click on this next Sign in to Activate button and click Continue. In my case, I'm going to choose the first one and click Continue. If you know your PIN, let's click on. Now, to start the activation process, you'll need to select one of the options. If you know your PIN, then you can check this first option. If you don't, check this next one and click Continue. On the next page, you'll be able to see this interface. There are 3 steps for your card activation. The first step is to enter your credit card number along with your 3-digit security code. Go ahead and enter your card number that you'd like to activate, and your card number will be available right in your card. Soon after you do that, enter the 3-digit security code on the next field and click on the Continue button when done. On the next page, verify your identity, create a 4-digit PIN, and then that is how you'll be able to activate your Canadian Tire Mastercard online. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.